Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the HP Deskjet 1111 printer driver in Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this particular URL. It is support.hp.com/drivers/printers. Now, when you search for it, you will be landed here on this particular page. So here, if it is showing you something different, you can anytime click on the option of software and drivers. Afterwards, among the given options, simply click on the option of printer. Now, it is going to show you this type of search bar in front of you, where you just have to type the model of your printer. So it is, in our case, is the HP Deskjet 1111 printer. So you just have to simply type it and click on it. Now, when you are here on this particular page, you need to choose your operating system. So click on the option of choose operating system. After that, click on the option of operating system. Here, select Windows. In the version, select Windows 11. You can also download it from Windows 10 from this particular list. So currently, I want to select Windows 11. Then click on the option of update. Now here it is going to show you the install HP Smart application to complete the setup and the support. It is recommended from HP. So here you can install it from the Microsoft Store, or you can just simply scroll down and click on the option of all the software and drivers. After that, simply select the option of the software utility. Here you will find this particular driver. You can click on it, then its setup will be saved in your device just like so. So when it is downloaded successfully, simply double click on it and then it will be installed on your device very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.